This American-style fridge freezer from LG gives you a massive amount of storage space, making it ideal for large family households. Door-in-doors double-layered compartments let you easily access the items on your shelves without letting cold air out of the main fridge compartment, so you can easily grab cooking ingredients and bottled drinks. The Inverter Linear Compressor uses a direct transmission mechanism designed to minimise mechanical loss. This ensures a quiet, durable and efficient performance, so you can be sure that it's built to last and delivers an all-round better performance. With a plumbed water and ice dispenser, you can connect to your water source and enjoy fresh, filtered water and ice directly from the door. Perfect for cooling off on hot days with easy access to instant refreshment. Enjoy smarter, fresher storage with this LG American-style fridge freezer. The stunning modern design makes it a perfect match for any contemporary kitchen decor.